What do you think about this home standing out?
It's in Almaden Valley, one of the most desirable areas. This property was built in 1988 with fully renovation with a lot of modern touch. Hey Yomina, from buyer's perspective, who do you see this being perfect for?
I would say move-up buyers who are looking for more space and strong value in single-family home moving ready. Hey Anson, location-wise, how would you describe it?
You got top-tier schools, quiet neighborhood, classic Almaden feel, peaceful but connected.
Fully remodeled, top-rated schools, prime Almaden Valley location. Welcome to this beautifully updated home nestled in one of Almaden Valley's most desirable neighborhoods. Offering access to top-rated schools, Williams Elementary, Bret Harte Middle, and Leland High, convenient access to Almaden Expressway and scenic foothill and mountain views.
Step through the double front doors into an inviting entryway with architectural detail leading into an expansive open-concept kitchen, dining, and living area filled with abundant natural light. The home features a blend of tile and wood-style flooring, recessed lighting, and updated fixtures throughout. The spacious living room with fireplace flows seamlessly into the dedicated dining area, complete with sliding glass door access to the outdoor space. The kitchen is showcasing a large center island with seating, white chic cabinetry, quartz-style countertops, tile backsplash, and a full suite of stainless steel appliances including range, hood, dishwasher, microwave, and oven.
Retreat to the extra-large primary suite, offering direct access to the outdoor patio, a walk-in closet, and a spa-like ensuite featuring a dual-sink vanity, large wall mirror, ample cabinet storage, a walk-in shower with glass enclosure, and a soaking tub. All additional bedrooms are bright and spacious, providing flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Enjoy outdoor living in the enclosed courtyard-style patio and covered front porch, surrounded by low-maintenance front and backyard landscaping with mature shrubs and trees, and wraparound yard layout. Additional features include an attached two-car garage. Residents also enjoy access to community amenities, including a swimming pool and common area, enhancing the overall lifestyle this home offers.
It's a rare opportunity
that shows up in Almaden Valley.